Hi, in this video, I'll talk about the service connection in Azure DevOps. Why do we need service connection and how do we create the service connection? So this is my Azure DevOps portal and this is my Azure portal. Now, this is I'm already logged in inside my project, and this is my project settings. And inside the project settings, there is an option called Service Connection. So with the help of Service Connection, we basically authenticate between the Azure DevOps and Azure. Okay, we can pass the credentials here. We can pass the app registration details here, and with the help of this service connection will be utilized within the Azure DevOps pipeline, and this is what it's basically going to go ahead and create the resources in the Azure. In order to go ahead and create the resources in the Azure, we also need to assign certain permission to this app registered app on the subscription. So let's do that. So when we go to the project setting, there is a service connection option. Go to service connection, and these are the ways with which we can do it because the Azure DevOps can be integrated with the Azure, AWS and the other cloud providers. So it's basically talking about where exactly you want to do the resource provisioning. So we're going to the Azure Resource Manager, and these are the couple of ways with which we can go ahead and basically do the we can go ahead and basically do the app registration part. But so let me just see it here. So like basically the app registered automatically. This is a manual way. This is the managed identity. This is the managed identity system. We'll be going with the app registration automatically. Okay, and then it will be basically at the backend using the workload identity federation. Okay. Now it has automatically picked up my Azure subscription. This is the only subscription I have. And since I'm using the same account to log into the Azure DevOps as well as on the Azure, that is why it's able to fetch the details. Okay. So I'm going here. Okay, subscription is already highlighted. And now I just need to select my resource group. In the meantime, I'll just also show you my infra ID, where it's basically going to go ahead and create the image and the app registration. Okay. This is where it's going to go ahead and all applications. I just have 3 right now, and it's this is taking a long time. So it should basically just do the refresh once. So storage, resource management, next. Okay, it's asking the authentication here. Okay, DevOps object. Then, see, access to all pipeline, save. So now, as I showed you that this is where it's going to basically create the application, and apart from that, uh, apart from that, It's also going to basically automatically assign the RBAC on this resource group. So refresh this. See, there's automatically this one. Uh, this one assignment. So basically automatically assign the permission to this app owner. You see this one? This is my app. This one. Okay. Now, in order to basically assign this, we need to basically assign the permission on the subscription level. Right now, it has just the permission on the resource group level. We can go here on the subscription, and if you actually see, this must have so this is already completed. Okay. We don't need to do anything. So this is how we basically go ahead and create the service connection, and I will just go ahead and assign the permission on the subscription. Let's see which one is the greatest one. Registration. This is the one with BD02. Sheesh. So, BD0, BD02. So this is how we basically create the service connection, and this is how we need to assign the permission to the registered app. Thank you.